Now here's a meal prepping must-have that you must have. DynaCube. It saves so much time in the kitchen when you need to prepare all raw meals with just produce only for your family so that they can enjoy it throughout the entire week. So first things first, when assembling the DynaCube, you want to set your blade set in place in a comfortable position as such. Step 2. Grab the top half of your DynaCube and place it on top of the bottom half. Make sure that the silver steel rod inserts into the center hole of the bottom half of your DynaCube. You may have to turn your food processing crank 1 or 2 times just to set this in place. Step 3. Make sure to lock in place all of the clips around the entire DynaCube. Step 4. We're going to flip this bad boy upside down and place our food dicer blade on the bottom half of our DynaCube. Now that our DynaCube is assembled, the rest is, let's consider it magic. Voila!